Hi guys, I think we are live. Let me wait for few people to come in. Yep, we got 5 people now. Tejas, Mr. Awesome, Sachin and all. So we'll do few dual lives also today. First let me answer few questions and all. Hi Venu. Hi Divyam. Hi Managhakar, whatever. So hi Lalan. So yesterday live was like super nice. I got good feedback. People are writing notes. People are like sending so many messages. Even my friends and family sent some messages to my WhatsApp saying it's good. So I thought like why not today also like promised. So like I promised yesterday, I want to make more lives and interact with you guys. So hello Pratik, hello Amit, Amisha. So hi Confusion Queen Ammo. Hi Sanuj. Hi. And one thing I just want to say before starting the live is like you can ask me about entrepreneurship, digital marketing in general, making money and anything, life, purpose, depression or something like that, because I saw like parts of everything I told you right now in my early life. So at very young age I saw everything. So just don't ask only related to Instagram. I know you want to learn more about Instagram, but it would be great if you could ask all the questions and cover and grab as much as knowledge possible. No, I started like I used to have so many different usernames when I started my Instagram. It's like there is like some butterscotch, blackcurrant, and like Avinash rocks and all this stuff. Right now, when I started my branding, I made my Instagram profile to Meet Avinash. Thought like brand me as a Meet Avinash. First I thought like a digital Avinash, but so many people using that digital keyword before their names in this field. So I thought I need to be something different. So yeah, I used Meet Avinash as my branding. So how are you, hero? No, I'm not a hero. Heroes are the people who are serving in the hospitals, cleaning our roads, people who serve in our military. These are people who I consider as heroes. Entrepreneurs, not are not like heroes or something. We are just people who solve problems and all. How you exactly do this? I explained you many times, but it's simple. We manage people's Instagram, and we do provide all the other digital marketing services. Jawahar asking way to find clients, please do reply. So LinkedIn groups, be active in this 3. You need to add value in Facebook groups, answer questions, post something valuable, join more groups, and give as much value as possible. And I'm sure you can do that. I mean, like you can get few clients if you do that, and learn how to be very active in LinkedIn also. LinkedIn is place where there are like many professionals who can afford your services. So it's very easy in LinkedIn there. Hello Digital Prashant. So Lalan asked when you felt that yes, this gonna work for me. So very good question. So I was into depression for 1 year straight. 1 year, I know I was like I am so very depressed. I have like 3 big problems in my life, and I thought of killing myself. All these suicidal thoughts like any other teenager when they are into depression. Before that, I thought depression is like lol, like only fools will think of depression. Nothing like there's nothing like depression and all. But once I faced depression, I was like man, like depression is a real deal. So I was 1 year into depression. I saw a few articles. This Kylie Jenner, she's a 19-year-old Instagram influencer or entrepreneur. She's a self-made billionaire at the age of 19. First wow for me is she's a billionaire. Second wow is she's a self-made billionaire. Third wow is she is a woman. Like, I'm not saying anything racist here, I hope, because it's very difficult for them, right? They have lots of kind of very struggles and all. And the fourth wow is at the age of 19, and the fifth wow is all this through Instagram. Most of this money, $1 billion, is from Instagram. And sixth wow is selling lipsticks and cosmetics. It's like $10-20 products. She made $1 billion out of it. I was like, I know nuts and bolts of Instagram. I worked so many months on Facebook pages, Instagram pages, but left because I'm not able to make money. So then once I read this article from Forbes or something, I was like, man, I think I can do something like this. So, but instead of becoming an influencer, I become a marketer, like helping influencers. I know the skill, I can become an influencer, but I don't know any skill apart from Instagram, like Instagram marketing. Like, I don't know like any fashion, I don't know anything, beauty, skincare, whatever. I don't know anything, and I can't be an influencer. Then I thought, what's my second option if I can't be an influencer? I thought marketer who helps influencers in managing and growing their Instagram accounts. So yeah, just to answer, that's where I thought like this is gonna work for me. So I hope that helps. What should I do? Dynamic is asking, what should I do to become an IG influencer? You need to have a skill apart from marketing. Like, you can become a marketing influencer too, but all you need to have is like, you need to know what you're doing. You need to be the best at what you are doing and provide value. That's it. Follow a few growth hacks, invest some money in your personal brand, and that's all you need. Someone asked, how did you meet Nick? So Nick is my one of first few clients. So I worked with a gaming company first. They used to sell joysticks, right? So I had a very good case study with this joystick company. Back then I was 18. That's where he's my first client. That's the time I was like coming out of depression slowly after seeing the Kylie Jenner's article. So then using this case study, I saw Nick status in his group. So he stated that he is looking for some Instagram marketer to like manage his own personal brand page and other brands he have. So then like I approached him, like 40 odd people or something, someone like 40 odd people approached Nick, and he took kind of interviews, asked many questions and all, and he selected me, and I worked with his tattoo page. And that tattoo page I took from almost 200 followers to 10,000 or some odd followers in like 2 weeks. And he was like, wow, and he hired me for his personal brand, and he referred me, and we did like so much money together. He referred to so many people, and he made like $100,000 or something by selling his courses or something, and we together made another 100,000 by referral deals and all. So yeah, so that's how I got Nick, and that's the relationship with Nick. So I have started a food blogging page on Instagram. Any suggestions? So food is very good niche basically. Anyone who it's like very impulse thing, right? Food. So upload videos instead of pictures. Food pictures are everywhere over the internet, everywhere in the Instagram. So just be unique by uploading videos of the food, and use good food hashtags, and be very unique. Just compare yourself with the top food blogger or a top food page in Instagram, and see what you can add, and follow my growth tips series, so that you can grow, you can optimize your bio, you can do everything you can. And food is very viral niche too, right? So yeah, that's how you grow your food page, right? Using right hashtags, and also add value and reveal the face. Don't just start a page without revealing your face, guys. Like you need to reveal the face so that you can establish that authority. And also when you reveal your face, there's a whole different feeling. People follow people don't follow some page with might not follow might follow, but there will be very less connection there. So try to do that. So I want to start an advertising film production company. How can I collaborate with others? So there are few apps or websites where you can it's like Tinder for finding co-founders, right? It's Tinder for finding co-founders. You can try that out. Back when I am starting my own companies or something, I used to use that. So you can do that. You have to find your co-founder or something, and yeah, if your question is to just find co-founder, you can use that kind of apps, and be active in groups, entrepreneurial groups, entrepreneurship groups, startup groups, and all, so that if someone is very active, you can go find people. And and also media companies are the best. They're there are many media companies out there are performing very well. In Telugu there is Virally, Chai Biscuit, and in English, in Hindi market there is a company called actually I forgot the company. Huh? Filter Copy. So so can I work with you? Yeah, if you want to work with me as a client, yes, you can always DM me. If you want to work with me as an employee or a freelancer, we are not hiring right now. I will once, maybe 2 months ago, when I hired, I kept uploaded a story. I will do the same when we start hiring again. So where you just Google where we can find groups. Just Google, just add in some keywords in Facebook or LinkedIn search, and you will get ton of groups. In LinkedIn you can literally add any word, and you can filter down to groups, and you will get all the related groups to that particular keyword. So let me answer a few questions here, and then I will just do real lives. Guys, ask me anything else apart from Instagram too. I can literally add value on everything one can ask, like digital marketing, entrepreneurship, money making at the young age, everything, right? Just cover up things. So Doc Tripper, so he or she, he. So hi Avi, I'm a doctor. I want to grow my Instagram handle. I'm posting regularly. So you need to post infographic content, right? People, doctors don't give so much information when we go there, right? Few doctors, right? And people are kind of confused, right? They know the disease, but they don't know why they got it. They don't know how we can they don't know the foreground or background of that particular disease. So what you need to do is you need to post infographics. Like me, I'm posting in entrepreneurship field, or money making niche. You need to post content related to doctor, diseases, health, and all that stuff, right? Take one topic, explain that in 5 or 6 points, and upload. So you can become viral, because there are very less doctors in Instagram that add ton of value in their niche. There is a whole lot of opportunity in the in this space, doctor space. So how to get clients for social media manager, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, local clients? Just go pitch them, local businesses. Anything you can do, anything you do else from this work. So we are a full stack. This was by Amisha. So we are a full stack digital marketing agency. We do Instagram, we do LinkedIn, we do Facebook, we do SEO, we do anything and everything in the digital world, right? I have a team of 14 superstars and 40 clients. I manage those people. So hope that answers your question. People watching my videos, views is more, but viewers are not follow my content. Why? Give a suggestion. You need to include a call to action in your story, in your video captions, right? Even at the end of the video, you can literally ask them, if you like the video, consider following me. Tag 4 people who this video, tag 4 people if you like the video. You need to have a hook, which is first 5 seconds of the video. You need to have a story rest of the video, right? Explaining what is your video, and at the end you need to have a call to action. Call to action, people forget. Most people forget. You need to literally ask people so that they realize they need to follow you, they need to like. Even I on many celebrities and influencers ask people to do something in every single post. So you just ask them so that they will know and they will do it. Simple. So bro, some pages are fake. They take money from clients but don't provide services. How can we reach them after they block us? So ask them testimonials, ask them, previous clients they worked with, and have a word with that previous client they worked with and ask if it's real or not. And the third thing is pay only via PayPal goods and services. If he's also Indian, if he asks like, I will pay through something, don't do that. Just pay through PayPal goods and services, so that if something goes wrong, you can always charge back and get your refunds. And I know there are many scammers. I've been scammed personally for lakhs and lakhs of rupees in this thing. Like, when I hire freelancers, they don't do the work and they don't give it. So after losing lakhs of rupees in the field, then I was like, okay, I had a set of things. I interview people now, I ask them testimonials, I ask them vouchers, I talk to the previous guy he worked with. I have a set of questions, and now I'm able to find whether he's scammer or real in like 10 minutes of the conversation. Yeah. So how to join your team, Priyanka? Yeah. So basically, you can shoot me a DM and with your portfolio. And but right now we are not hiring. You can just send me that. So whenever I have whenever I want to hire someone, I can just upload a story and you can see and you can revert back, or I can do whatever. Just right now we are not hiring. Whenever we hire, I will upload a story. Then you can shoot me a DM and send me your portfolio. Yeah. How did you get your first client? I think I answered that question, but I will answer again. Randomly, I randomly DM people, I added value in groups and all, and I got a client like that way. And using case studies of first client, I got second, third, fourth, and then referrals. After reaching my third client, and now I have 40 clients, I never ever went to someone and asked for a service or like pitched them. Every client is an inbound client or a referral. Like they come by seeing my article, they come by seeing my some value I provide in the groups, or they are referrals. Imagine 37 clients are just from referrals. That's how I provide good service. I am very kind to my clients. I provide great service, better than anyone else in the market. I know I will not be the fish in the ocean, but I will be the shark in the ocean, right? So I literally thought I should be the shark, and I gave my best. And when you give your best, your services will automatically go viral. Word of mouth is the best marketing, and referrals. Yeah, so that's how I got my first client, and then went on like that. My agency name is IG Accelerators. So can you explain your work, like what exactly you do, like what clients demand? So I help in growing and managing their Instagram accounts. That's our flagship service. And we do Facebook ads. If someone's selling their courses, someone's selling their services, we help in giving sales, services, leads, making money, whatever, right? We do Facebook ads, we do SEO, we do LinkedIn optimization, A to Z when it comes to digital marketing. Oh, how to get international clients like you do and other international clients. How to get international clients like you and other international clients? It's simple. Whenever you are into this, groups, it's not like international or national. People, even international, will approach you when you add so much value they don't know in these groups, when you reply to their comments. Yeah, that's how I got my first international clients, and being active in international marketing groups, international entrepreneurship groups. Yeah, so that's how. And Abhishek says, hey buddy, great seeing you reaching heights. Thanks, Abhishek. So yeah, Abhishek is a guy I shared a TED talk on. right? Rather come up with your course. Yeah, I'm really working on my course right now. So soon, like I completed recording the course, but I'm thinking whether it's a right time or not, because I'm thinking whether people have money right now, or whether it will be kind enough to ask money from the people right now because of this COVID-19, right? So I think I want to go dual live now. Mm, so digital, ask digital deep. So I'm just going deep.
Hello. 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 Are you able to hear? Hello. Hello.
Oh, guys, can you hear me right now? Can you hear me right now? Hello, guys. I don't know what is happening with. Can you hear me right now? Okay. So let me go.
Hello.
Hey, hi. Can you hear?
Hello.
Yeah, hi. So yeah, ask me your question. I can answer you.
Can you hear me?
Hmm?
Hello. It's not audible.
Oh, now
It's not audible actually.
you can ask me your question. You're audible. I mean, like, am I audible now? Your question. I think there is some problem with you. Hmm. My manager can hear me, and people here can hear me. God. Yeah.
Hey Avinash,
Yeah. So I'm not able. I mean, like, I can't see you. There's no electricity there.
वो मैं घर से बाहर हूँ तो लाइट में नहीं हूँ अभी.
Oh, okay, okay, cool. So shoot me your question.
So I want to ask you that I am running an influencer marketing agency
Okay.
where we help brands to connect with influencers and pages to drive growth.
Okay.
We have just started. So how to pitch a client?
Yeah. So you can be very active in Facebook and LinkedIn groups. Okay. Learn
Okay.
LinkedIn. Go to YouTube and watch few LinkedIn videos, and maybe you can kind of pitch them. You need to first establish the authority in your niche. If someone wants to grow, they should think of you. You need to establish. before you actually thinking of pitching, add value to people's life, right? Add value,
Okay.
increase their knowledge, then go and pitch them.
So 700 plus influencers join us,
Sorry.
and 25 plus 700 plus influencers have joined us,
Okay, great.
and 25 plus meme pages are also working with us.
Great.
So also, how can I build my personal brand?
Personal brand, it's very simple. If you are in a niche as almost similar like to me, just replicate what I'm doing in Instagram in your profile, right? Add good hashtags. Add good content. Do what I'm doing. Just replicate me. Simple. Okay.
So
Follow
I also
every
DM
single
you.
thing I'm doing, and just
Okay.
just follow everything I'm doing, and just replicate.
Can you suggest some tips for growing TikTok account?
Posting is a single tip. Posting 2 times a day or 3 times a day is the only tip you need when it comes to TikTok. You post anything, you're growing in TikTok. I personally hire few people to grow TikTok accounts in different niches, like cat videos, entrepreneurial motivational videos and all. They're just posting, they're not doing anything.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah,
Okay.
hope that helps.
Thank you.
Cool. You can invite me so that I can add you guys. I am going to add. Hey.
Myself, Riaz. I
Yes.
basically
Hi.
run a influencing marketing agency,
Oh,
which is actually
so
a
many people are running
startup.
influencer marketing agencies. The last call is also about influencer marketing agency.
Yeah, I was hearing
Yeah,
this
you can
question.
take some suggestions
I
from
just,
him from that call also.
yeah, sure. My question was like, if I approach a brand, how to set the price for my influencers? Like how
Uh,
actually it works?
it's very simple. Go to the top company in your niche, right? They will be
Okay.
some dream company of yours, right? Go there as a
Hmm.
client. Go there
Okay.
have a client or whatever. Just talk to them and get
Okay.
a proposal from them and see their pricing
Okay.
model. And do
Huh.
this for 5 to 10 companies in the niche, top, right?
Okay.
Compare your proposal or your whatever you are giving to
Huh.
them, to their proposals, and then you will
Okay.
get a reliable number to price yourself, right?
Okay.
And
Like,
that will be your
just
pricing
take
point.
like an
Yeah, yeah.
example, my one influencer is like having 2 million subscriber in their TikTok. So
Okay.
if some brand is approaching me, so how can I pitch them? Like, in, how to set the
Mm,
price for that promotion
so you are kind of a middleman who connects brands or
with
brands with
influencer? Yeah.
influencers.
Huh.
So just ask how much you need, figure out how much you're paying this influencer and hike up 20 or 30%, and then sell it to the brand. Simple. If she's
Actually, the
charging
influencers
5 to
are
10.
like, yeah. Like the influencer told
Yeah,
me
if
they
she's
don't know about anything like promoting and all.
okay.
They totally dependent upon me. So I have to pitch the
Cool.
brand and set
But
the
she had
price.
2 million
Yeah.
fans or followers in TikTok.
Huh.
So maybe for 2 million, you can literally charge 25,000 or something
25,000.
for 2
Okay.
million. Yeah, 25,000. But if it's a big brand, if a
Huh.
brand is just starting out, see, start with high, decrease your prices,
Okay.
experiment
Okay.
with different pricing from 10,000 to 25,000 for 2 million followers in TikTok.
Okay.
Now they even added the link in bio section in TikTok. They can literally add links now. Previously they need
Yeah.
to navigate them to Instagram and then do all that stuff. It's
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
simple now.
Huh.
So start from 10,000 end up with 25,000 and see what your prices, what your clients are comfortable at, and
Okay.
yeah. So and take 20% of whatever the commission you need to take, and then just give reminding to the influencer, and pitch to different clients, 10, 20 clients in LinkedIn, Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and
Like how to get their PR manager, like yeah, Gmail account
you
or
don't believe
something
me, just DM them. Simple DMs.
directly.
You DM 10 people, you DM 10 people who have like more than like 1 million followers,
Yeah.
right? Or 1 or 2
Huh.
million followers. At least 2 to 3 people of them will, reply you for sure. People, like,
Okay.
most people think they will not reply, but they will reply. Simple
I think
DM
so.
is fine, and then, like, yeah.
फाइन थैंक यू बहुत हेल्प हुई आप बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छा कर रहे हो हम लोगों के लिए टिप्स दे रहे हो लाइक तो आपके मीट अविनाश पेज पे बहुत हेल्प हो रहा है इसके उसके वजह से श्योर
Thanks.
थैंक यू
Glad
फॉर
that you liked
क्लियरिंग
my
माय डाउट्स
content. Bye bye.
थैंक यू बाय बाय
So, teenage asked me to add, you know, he's my, what we'll call brother-in-law. So, bro, just add me. Just click invite so that I can add you. Just wait. I'm like adding one guy. Like one guy. Okay, I'm adding now. Jitendra. Oh, wow. So hello, hi everyone. I'm just Jitendra. Add me, please. Yeah, I'm trying to add you, Jitendra, but it's not. Just request me again. Invite me for the call. Oh, Jitendra. Where is he? Yep. I'm adding Jitendra, guys. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, hi Avinash.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good man. It's nice to see you here.
Thanks.
I always see your post on Instagram, so
Sorry.
it's good that you are here among us.
Yeah.
I have
Thanks.
seen your post in Instagram, so it's good to see you here on this live session.
Thanks.
Avinash, I am a poet. I am a poet and a writer. Okay.
You're cutting down.
So,
Like,
hello.
yeah. Say me now.
Uh, so Avinash, I am a poet and a writer. Okay.
Okay.
So I want to know how I can reach more and more audience. How can I share my writings with more and more people on Instagram to have more followers,
Mm-hmm.
to have my fan base?
Yeah. So if there are pages who take like content, poems, and quotes from people like you, and then they share in their big pages.
Right.
Yeah, like Scramble writing. So I don't know exact names of them, but at least 10 or
Yeah.
20 of them, right?
Right.
Approach everyone till they reply you. Like send them the content every day of your post. Like send them, and one day they will reply you. There are like millions of pages. So once if you get once you get featured in there, right, you will get so many follows from those pages. It's free shout out from you from all like big pages.
But they share content from lot of people.
Mm-hmm.
Lot of people they keep sharing, right?
Yeah.
So how is it that people will really come to you, to your page, and then they will follow you?
See, imagine a page, the quotes page or this poems page have like 1 million
Yes.
followers, right? Out of imagine the post of yours reached to 500,000 people, which is like a normal thing in there. You get 1,000 followers, which is not bad, right? From one post, you got 1,000 followers, maybe in a week,
Yes. Yes.
which is great,
Yes.
right? So replicate this, figure out 20 or 50 pages in your niche that is taking this thing, this poems and all. Approach them every single day. Send them your content every day. You write something good every day or every 2-3 days, right? Send them till they reply, like, right? And comment that please reply to the DM, follow up them DM, follow up them in DMs, in comments everywhere, right? You just go and spam the hell out of them, right? Simple. And one day few pages will feature you. So once you establish the relationship with these page admins, then they will keep giving you the offers, then they will keep shouting out you and all.
Okay. Good. Yes,
Okay.
right.
Yeah.
And one more thing, sir.
Sure.
This hashtags on Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
So how much they help if I use
You need to
the
use 30
hashtag?
hashtags. You need to use 30 hashtags every single time, and don't use the same set of hashtags every single time. You need to have 3 sets.
Oh,
You need to interchange them, and use hashtags targeted to your content. If you are writing something
oh,
upon doctors right now, or like COVID or something like that, use hashtags there, right?
okay. Okay, good. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Wow. Now I'm adding my brother-in-law. I might talk in maybe local language for all the Telugu people who are requesting me to talk in Telugu. This is like hi. So this is the chance you can hear talking in Telugu. Baba, how are you?
అందరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం
Hi, Anna.
నన్ను చెప్పలేదు
గౌతమ్ అన్న ఇదాక నుంచి మెసేజ్ చేస్తున్నాడు యాడ్ చేయని. ఐ మీన్ లైక్ రిక్వెస్ట్ కూడా చేశాడు, కుదరలా. హాయ్ అన్న. మనీ బ్రో.
చిన్నోడు, నేను చేతులతో పెంచా.
So my baba is saying that he never met me like so less. We met like once in a while, but he's like saying that he spent all the time with me, which is not true. He's just showing off. చెప్పు బావా, ఏంటి సంగతులు?
చెప్పాలి, బిర్యానీ చేసుకుంటున్నా, వస్తావా?
బావా, ఇక్కడ పోలీసులు లాక్డౌన్ చేశారు బావా, ఏలూరు పంపించు.
యా సరే, ఎంజాయ్ రా.
ఓకే, బై బై.
బాయ్, ఎంజాయ్ రా.
బై టు ఎవ్రీవన్.
బాయ్
బై. Yeah, bawa. So sorry guys, maybe if that is like if that's okay with you, I hope that's okay. So yeah, I'm adding this guy who won a competition or a challenge yesterday. So in real life there's a glitch yesterday in the Instagram which I couldn't do. Right now I'm doing with him. So hi.
Hi Avinash. So
Yeah.
congratulations with IG Empire.
Yeah,
And
thanks.
ton of congratulations. And so Avinash, I just had a question. Just IG Empire is all about Instagram, or do you specialize into something else also? Like, is it like Facebook?
So yeah, I have 2 companies right now. One
Okay.
is IG Empires.
Okay.
Second one is IG Accelerators.
Okay.
So in IG Accelerators, we do full stack digital marketing services, from
Okay.
Google ads to YouTube ads to Facebook ads to LinkedIn, everything. You think of something and we will do it. So I have 14 people, so we'll do
Great.
everything.
Great. So you have any plans in the future? Like, I know you are going to come with your course in 1 or 2 months.
Sure.
academy or something like that where you'll be training people like us. Like I want to specialize in Instagram, and
Mm-hmm.
when we talk about the training, everyone is like use the app in the hashtags, be consistent and all. But what is the secret sauce behind becoming a brand? Like not everyone is able to achieve that.
Man, I shouldn't say this, but yeah, let me say some secret sauces. Yeah, so thing is, you might have 100 organic strategies, right? The maximum you can grow with all these organic strategies is like 4 or 5,000 followers per month,
Okay.
right? There is one secret strategy which is a paid one. You need to do shout outs from, you need to get like shouted out from big pages, right?
Okay.
Go to big pages in your niche. If you're an entrepreneur, want to build a personal brand, go to the similar pages in your niche, right? Give them good content, viral content in entrepreneurial space, and ask them to promote you in the caption. In there, maybe you use sliders, 10 pictures, right? 9 pictures give add value. In 2 pictures, I mean like 8 pictures add value. In 2 pictures, in the one in the middle, one at the end, promote yourself. Like, I am giving tips on Instagram, I am giving tips on whatever the thing you are doing. Do
Okay.
that. And in caption, like, it should be like, oh my god, you're not even following this guy. This guy is like making wonders in this space. You
True,
need to
true,
follow
true.
him as soon
I've
as
seen that.
possible. Yeah,
Yeah.
something like that. So
Okay.
you should do that with big pages. And imagine you're doing that with a 5 million follower page or 3 million follower
True,
page,
true. Hmm.
and you
So
get
Avinash,
at least 1,000 followers.
I'm into affiliate marketing. I have a page of affiliate marketing. So my name is also the affiliate marketer.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
yesterday you like gave a advice on when you're promoting your story. So
Mhm.
there should be the profile picture, like the screenshot of your profile overall. The bio should be visible. And I tried that yesterday. I got very good leads from that and very good
Yeah.
impressions also from that. So thank you so much
Yeah.
for that. And
Yeah.
also if I want to like promote, grow my affiliate business, like affiliate page actually. So what should be the steps in that? Like I have the particular niche of MMO and like affiliate marketing.
Multi-level
should-
marketing.
Yeah, no, MLM. MLM is like different and
What is yours?
so I have a product and this is like a personality development course which we are like providing the value with, and you are also getting a reselling rights after that. And me, I specialize
Cool.
in sales, so I kind of train people for sales because again this is selling.
What's the ticket
Not-
size?
Ticket size starts from 2,500. The highest is 7,000.
$7,000 or rupees?
No, rupees. It's $110. $110 is the highest ticket size.
Cool. So, you are driving traffic to the original owner of that particular product, or you are driving sales to your own page. You build your own funnel landing page and driving
No.
sales
So
to your own.
I am basically like promoting someone else's product, but I want traffic for myself, for my sales actually.
No. I'm saying, see, you're having a product worth 7,000 rupees and maybe a course. So now
Yeah.
you're driving traffic to their owner's sales page, or you're creating another sales page or landing page for yourself and driving.
I'm
traffic
creating
to this.
another page for myself and driving the sales for myself.
Cool. So first thing, you need to have a very good ClickFunnels page. You pay $200-300 and people will make awesome landing pages in ClickFunnels. Very good converting, very good copy,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
have a good funnel page and drive traffic to your Instagram first, and then direct to like add value. Jab, right hook by Gary Vee. Add value for 3 or 4 times, like as much as you can, and then pitch. Right? Teach them how to make money in affiliate marketing, how to make money online in general, entrepreneurship, or whatever you are expert in. And then if you think of developing more yourself or whatever, you can go to my product over there and buy it from there. Very simple.
Okay. So
And
Avinash,
to grow, you can use the shout out strategy and then all the tips I gave you yesterday, and also growth tips series, 31 tips. Follow everything, and that's one strategy. And drive traffic to your own landing page, which should be very converting. Conversion rate should be like 5 to 10%, right?
that's a lot.
That's one thing. Second thing is that's possible. 5 to 10% is possible if you drive a targeted traffic with a good copy and all. You need to have a one good sales, video, and then there's a copy, and then collect lead or whatever you can call or whatever, however, So that's one strategy. Second strategy is learn Facebook marketing, spend some money in Facebook, and then drive traffic.
Okay, so
That's one. Oh, you're cutting down, buddy. Maybe your Wi-Fi is a little slow.
Is it fine now? Yeah,
Yeah, it's fine.
So yeah, like last year, my dad read an article about you where you have clocked around 80 lakh rupees in just like I guess 8 months or something like that. So
Yeah,
he
6
told
months.
me about you, and since then I have been following you. Okay, so what? So today we see people like even you have a very good following. You are doing very well for yourself. Then we have Digital Pratik, we have Avi RSL, very massive
Yeah.
following. Very like I'm talking to. So what are the kind of struggles you people have been through to reach over here? Not many people know about that.
Yeah, you don't trust me. I saw so many struggles in my early age. Like, from 18 to 19, I was into deep depression, suicidal. I thought of killing myself. Like, I had so many things in my mind. Like, there are three problems. One, my father is in some debt, which I just want to clear because I don't want any, mental tension for him at this age. And, because I saw the love from my father, right? Like, he's very good businessman, very hardworking, very kind and all. He gave everything and anything I asked, right? So right now he's in 7-figure debt.
Okay.
My age is 18 and he's not able to clear. Second problem, I thought of like computer science is something great, innovation, like I will create a company like Apple, Microsoft, whatnot, billion-dollar company, trillion-dollar company and all. And after I went, like, it's just a labor job for me. I mean, like, I'm thinking that as like, I can't do it, man. And my first year CGPA is 4. I'm the last but not one guy, right, in the class of 60 people. And I'm a 90% student before that. Right now, I'm 4 CGPA, which is like 35% or something, from 90% to 35%. And this last guy comes to me and said that, bro, I would be above you. Just because I had fever, I couldn't do more. See how that kind of insult.
True.
I should be in top 5 in my, before like 12th or something. Now I'm in the top second and, least, second. And even this least guy is, kind of,
Daunting you.
yeah. So now I was like, if anyone asked me about like my score, I used to say 4 CGPA and I used to go to washroom and cry for like 10 minutes. My father is in debt. My studies are like almost fucked up. And 3, I had a very like I don't have any friends. I don't know anyone to share my thoughts. Like I was very kind of introvert, and I used to have friends. I'm not like the guy who is introvert. I'm extrovert, but because of my score, because of whatever, I had very less friends.
Yeah, some kind of insecurities which happen with
yeah, personal problems. I just want to leave alone or like all this stuff, no? So these 3 problems at the age of 18. 1 year pure depression. I tried every way to kill myself, but I couldn't do it. Right?
Okay.
I was like, see, in life, when you don't, I'm like, the worst thing, when you fail at everything you do, you think of killing yourself. And I'm even failing in there. I tried hundreds ways, like, you don't know. I used to Google, watch movies, just to know how different ways to kill. See, this much of depression at the age of 18. I was like physically abusing me. I used to I used to live in a 1-seater bedroom, right? So I was like physically abusing me. I was falling in my washroom, like, because I am abusing myself, slapping myself. So this is for 1 year. I used to eat food once or twice in 3-4 days. Very bad. And financially, I don't want to ask more money to my father. Just to spend that extra 10 rupees, I used to think twice on extra 10 rupees of thali. Special thali, normal thali, 50 rupees, 60 rupees. I used to think twice, right? I used to think twice to spend 20 rupees on auto to go from hostel to college to hostel. I used to walk. Now I own 20 lakhs worth of car and not doing I spend enough money to maintain me and my family. I provide my family right now. So in just 1 year, from thinking of 20 rupees to spend, and I never even thought I could buy a car. I just went to the dealer shop I'm in a dealership store. I just gave the advance some good amount of money, and that's it. 3-4 days I had car.
That's
So
very good.
struggle is very I faced a lot of struggle, man. I never, I shared this, but very kind of in a single dimensional way. First time I'm sharing in a 3-dimensional way here.
Yeah, people should be knowing
So,
what they see that Avinash is very successful. He's earning so much, but we should
yeah.
be knowing about the person's struggle as well. कि कहाँ से निकल के
Yeah.
आए हैं. That is there. Okay, thank you so
So,
much, Avinash.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Nice speaking to you.
Yeah, bye.
So I have just 10 minutes more invite. I'm just going to Ecom Gaurav, or yeah, let me go to Hey Gaurav.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Avinash. Bro.
Yeah, hello. Shoot me a question, kind of quick. I just had 10 minutes left.
Yeah. I have a question about that. How do I start about the affiliate market? How to grow affiliate market? I want affiliate marketing tips.
Simple. I'm not expert in here.
It's like
I am kind of okay. But thing is, start learning about affiliate marketing. You are just a YouTube search away to learn affiliate marketing.
Your
Tons
voice is
of
not
tips.
audible.
Oh, I think there is some
Sorry, but your voice is not audible.
technical issue from your side, because my previous guys heard me in a perfect way. Your internet issue. Maybe we'll connect on some other day, or you can shoot me.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem.
Okay, thanks. Just invite me for dual live. I will add you guys. Hey man.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi, bro.
Hi.
This is Sandeep.
Sandeep, hi.
Yeah. Actually, my question is that I have a business. It's a small business, reselling business. Okay. And I want to take promotion of my products.
Okay.
Okay. And did I need to learn Instagram ads or something, or like
what are your products
will I
basically?
proceed? It's basically of customized products,
Okay. Oh,
like personalized thing.
okay. Gifts, birthday gifts, and all that, right?
Yeah, like
So
that
you have
only.
two options: learning Instagram or learning Facebook. You can learn both
Yeah,
are free.
okay.
So learning Facebook, you need some money to invest on Facebook ads. Learning Facebook marketing,
Okay.
and learning Instagram, you don't need money. Literally, I gave you so many tips in this particular live only.
Yeah.
You can
21
rewatch.
tips I
Yeah,
have seen.
shout out, growth strategies, optimization, following my growth tips. You can get lot of knowledge from this. Everything I'm saying. If want, you can
Okay.
rewatch whole live video. I gave so many tips in
Yeah, I am seeing.
stuff. So follow everything. And
And
if you want
my
to grow in
question,
Instagram, come follow all my tips and all, and then redirect traffic to your own page, your own website,
okay.
right? And also be viral, kind of when you have some products, create slideshow videos of your products, and kind of make them emotional, because your words sell here, because this is very emotional kind of products, right? Like giving gifts to the loved ones
Personal.
and all. So and that's one option. Second option is Facebook marketing. Learning Facebook marketing, starting with 2,000-3,000 or 5,000 rupees, investing on Facebook ads, and then like directing
Okay.
traffic to your website.
The
Both
ads means
Instagram you can learn from me,
audience.
Facebook you can learn from YouTube. Yeah.
Okay. in ads we have to do some particular audience. You have to
Yeah. That
separate
is
it,
what I mean when I say learn Facebook marketing. There are so many free courses out there. Yeah, you can learn
Okay.
for free.
Okay, then what you like? Can I use digital marketing, SEO, and social media marketing courses? Can I learn it? Is it
Mm,
be useful?
no, don't learn vague courses who teach everything. Learn from the particular courses that are dedicated to one skill only, right?
Okay,
Facebook,
like
Instagram.
marketing only.
Don't learn marketing courses in general. Learn Facebook ads marketing course. I mean, like, don't even
Okay, can
invest
you
in the
suggest?
course. Just learn from YouTube.
Okay, like hashtags like that
Yeah.
from starting.
Yeah, Instagram hashtags and all, Facebook's like, how to figure out the target audience size, how to, find out your audience, how much money you need to invest, everything. There are many free tutorials by big guys.
Yeah, yeah.
And don't learn from people who uploaded videos from 2 or 3 years back. Facebook algorithm changes every time. Learn from the videos which have been uploaded in last
Okay.
1 year or like 6 months if possible.
Okay. And can I go to an ad agency or self-made
No.
is
Don't go to
sufficient?
ad agency right now unless you have 1 or 2 lakhs in your bank account. Right? You can come to me. I can sell my
Okay.
services also. But it's not like, when you have 5 or 10 or 20,000, don't go to ad agency or buy a course. First learn skill, experiment, and then like do it. Right? When you make some money
Okay.
out of
Own
your
improvement.
business, when you have enough money from your business to reinvest, then go to an ad agency like mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. It
Thanks.
helped me a lot. And TikTok videos I have tried and it showed me a good response.
As I told you, TikTok,
Product.
the only tip in
Yeah.
TikTok is upload videos. That's all you need. Uploading
Yeah,
videos is
daily
what you need.
uploading.
Yeah. Upload one at
Yeah,
least.
some are going viral.
Yeah.
Some are going viral and some are not going viral.
That,
But it takes time.
yeah, it takes time because, TikTok algorithm also need to figure out what your product is, right?
Okay.
It need to figure out, your audience is people who have birthdays or like friends with, birthdays, Valentine's Day gifts or whatever, right? Now, this is all
Yeah.
target, and it takes some time by the algorithm because TikTok is new,
Okay.
and it will take some time.
TikTok ads will be helpful.
No, don't do TikTok ads. First do Facebook, Instagram ads. In Facebook ads only you can run, ads in Instagram as a placement. When you run Facebook
Okay.
ads, it will show as a sponsored
Yeah.
post in Instagram also, right? So don't
Okay.
boost the post. You need to go to ad account and then from ads manager, and then you need to do everything there. Boosting doesn't help you.
Okay. Boosting is different than that.
Yeah, there are
Okay.
two different things. That's the reason I'm saying to learn from free courses. Even Harvard released free courses. edX or some other company
Coursera.
released free courses. They used to charge like 50,000-60,000, and they're making their courses for free for this many, for next 60 days.
Okay. Coursera like that?
Yeah, Coursera, I
Coursera.
think. Yeah, I don't know the name, but I know a big company, edX or Coursera. I read it somewhere, but I forgot. So just do that. And
Okay.
cool.
Okay, bro. Thank you, bro.
Cool. So that's it for this video, guys. So I will be doing live again tomorrow. I hope you're not bored. I had a lot of you got a lot of questions. I had a lot to say. So I hope it's very interesting. That's it for this video. Tomorrow at the same time 8, I'll meet you again and we'll give you some more value. And yeah, that's it. So please start your YouTube channel. Yeah, I will start my YouTube channel. Hate style, whatever hate style, man. That's not good. Yeah, I want to come live. Definitely feed hustle. Oh, hairstyle page tips. Post viral videos about hairstyles. If you're a hairstylist, upload videos while you're, cutting down hair or whatever, right? When you are like working, just upload viral videos. There's just this big YouTuber who literally records videos of their clients in his salon, like this transformational videos and all, and he's super viral in Facebook and YouTube. Do the same, replicate the success to get the success. As simple as that. Keep it simple. And extend my regards to family. Thank you very much, Saurav. And I hope this helps you guys. So meet you at the same time tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye. Bye guys. I'm just ending this video.